Wait. Just in 5 minutes, you will learn how you can hit your first 1000 followers here on YouTube. If you're stuck like 200 followers, 100, 500 followers, I know how it used to be there, how you just want to just get more followers, let people see you, all that kind of thing. You have been struggling for months, weeks, I don't know, yeah, and you couldn't like make your 1000 followers or subscribe on YouTube. Now you're on the right video, because this video I'm going to explain step by step on how you can easily get 1000 followers here on YouTube in just a couple of days, hours. Just depends on how your video goes. If it goes more viral, people can just follow, subscribe, you understand. That depends on your potential of your video. Just be clear, okay? It's easy, it's literally easy. But I'm going to show you these steps. Just one thing you're lacking, but it's something that people can easily make mistake on. That provided you follow the easy steps I'm about to show you. But if you're not ready, then you can just go somewhere else. I'm going to show you how I turned this account right here to this. Not basically me, but this was a friend of mine. I don't know. We tried together with different accounts, and she was able to turn this account to this. Now you can also do that to your account with just following these steps. If you want to learn this, you have to watch till the very end. If not, I don't think you're going to learn anything. But I'm going to show you this will definitely work. Probably like 8%. Depends on how serious you are. Now, before we proceed, just a quick reminder. See, this like growing on YouTube is not easy. It has to be something that you accept yourself to do. It's something that you really want to do. So you have to just be committed to it. So you have to give it your time. So with that aside, then let us proceed with these steps. Now this method I'm about to teach you, you're able to make up to 1000 to 1000 followers depending on how viral your video might end up being. But remember, you're trying it first time, first second time, and it doesn't work. You just have to continuously try it. Now, because this is not easy, I think every single person wants to go into content creating, and the way the whole thing is going is kind of becoming hard. But this is like the easiest way for you to get followers or subscribers on YouTube. Now, what do you think? Like, what you might be thinking? What kind of trick would this possibly be? Now, this is like making use of short videos. You understand? You're making use of short videos. Now, I think we have come across it several times. People saying short. But how do you do that? YouTube short is like the easiest way for you to get fast YouTube followers, YouTube subscribers. It's literally the fastest way for you to hit YouTube followers or subscribers in just in a day, couple of hours. It's possible. Depends on how you make use of your videos. But in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you should do this, how you shouldn't do this, what kind of settings you should do, and what kind of settings you shouldn't do. However, I'm going to show you this step by step. Now I'm going to go right into my phone. That's my mobile phone. I'm going to show you the steps on which you should follow. For this to work, you need to watch this video to the very end. Before we proceed, you need to subscribe, like the video, or comment. Tell me what you want and let me know what you want me to upload next. I've made this kind of mistake back then when I started YouTube, because starting YouTube and you don't have anybody that's really guiding you through. You go in and I did a lot of research, but I never realized this. So until I have to discuss this with my friend, we did a couple of experiment and all that kind of thing, and we happened to use this method, and it was able to get a couple of channels up to 1000 followers. However, there's always a bad side of all these things, and that's like you uploading longer videos. Now let's say if you upload longer videos, those people that actually subscribe to short videos, they might not be interested. They might not be interested in those long videos. And not only you getting 1000 followers on YouTube, you also need 4000 watch hours, like 4000 watch hours. And now you can't get that on short, even though you get like 10,000 watch hours on short. That's just not needed. Except you get like 3 million views, then you can be monetizing your short. You get that, right? So I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can actually download a video from any social media, and how you can upload it on YouTube, and the kind of trick you can use, the method you can use to upload them, and just different way of you trying, so you can also get your 1000 followers on YouTube.
I'm on the mobile phone screen right now. So as I said earlier, listen carefully, because if you miss any steps from this, it might not work. Now what you have to know is that or you can actually download this from any social media. It can be from Facebook, it can be from YouTube, it can be from TikTok, IG, name it. Okay, but in the sake of this video, I'm gonna use IG. So I'll click on IG, I'll go right into the video. Now it has to be a video that you see is a video that is engaging. Let me turn this down. It has to be a video that you see that there's a lot of like, comment, engagement. It does say engagement. Now this is quite a good one to use. Yeah, this is quite good one to use. Hold on. So let's go back to that one. Alright. So I'll just go here and I'll just copy. Now listen carefully, because she might just make mistake in this place as well. Now, mind you, whichever social media you copy this from, and let me repeat, whichever social media you copy this from, you have to put it first and add download. Let's say you can put it this way: Facebook downloader. That's if the link you copied is from directly from Facebook, but this time around our link is from IG. So I'll put IG downloader. So you can see the first one. I click it. Now you see few suggestions of website. You can see few suggestions of website. Okay. Before this step, you can even use any browser. Just mind you can use any browser. It's not much. It's a Safari. You can use Chrome. Just put the same input the same thing I'm typing. So as you have done what you have to do, and you see these options. So normally I like going with the first choice. So I'll go with the first one here. So I will just click on paste, and I'll click on download. Hold on. Now this is the video right here. Now there's no watermark or copyright or that kind of thing though. So I'll click on download. This is a cup of ad. So I'll wait for it to finish on run up. Okay. So you see it's showing me download now. Download. I can see right here it's already downloaded. I'll click on downloads. Then I click on here. So now I don't have it on my gallery yet. For me to have it there, I have to click on share and save video. Now listen guys, this way it becomes tricky. Now normally you just click on short and this and this and add sound. Now this is okay, but you can try as much as possible to switch it off up like sometimes. So what I normally like doing is going on short, go on the video or some video that is performing well, and what I have to do is use the sound, use the sound, and I can adjust the long how it is, so you can change it within 15 minutes or 80 minutes. Then I'll go here. I'm only just 8 seconds. Sorry, seconds. So yeah.
Yes,
now,
take a blind photo, please. Thank you so much.
Change the sound.
Number 1.
Okay.
Harry. Yes, sir. Take a blind photo, please. Thank you so much.
This one from the ones we are putting this video on that, and this is our old. So let's see. I like taking this one a little bit down. Then I put this one as well. So you can just sound. So I'll continue. Now what I like doing with my phone, because I have to take a screenshot. So I don't have to start cracking myself in order to find a title to give it. So I'll take a screenshot. Then I'll go right in here. Just copy it and just type it. Easy peasy. Unfortunately, Android can't do this. I don't know, but I don't know if they can do it. So next. And here we have, I'm gonna paste this right here. So you can do this in as many as possible. If you have something like as black, you can just click on space and it comes up. You can do this as many as possible in a day. Just all you have to know is it's not gonna be easy, but as long as you are consistent, that's gonna be the key. Now this is a little bit funny. I don't think it's hashtag matters though, but whatever it is, it just got to do it. Then this is out of the way. Then just upload it. That's it for this one. After you finish trying all these things, all you have to do after you finish trying it, remember to delete the videos after you have gained 1,000 followers. You will now go further to start uploading long videos, because you uploading longer videos, you have the chance to meet the 4,000 watch. That is it for this video. Remember to subscribe, follow, like the videos, just as to say. Okay, let me know what your thoughts and what you want me to upload next.